Alright, we're gonna make 2 white ones.
Tess, what are you doing? What are you making?
What are you doing, Tess?
What are you making? Bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
You like bread, uh-huh. What's that you have?
Daddy.
That's
Wait.
flour?
3 ounces of whole wheat flour.
Flour.
3 ounces. This is rye flour. Actually.
Cheese.
And we're gonna use rye. 3 ounces. We're gonna count.
Okay.
1, 2,
And 5.
3.
Please.
Yeah, we'll use that for the we're gonna use that for the salt.
Salt.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add. Actually, we can use it for this. Put a little potato flour in. Wanna do it?
Yeah.
1. Test to it. 2, 3,
4,
4.
5,
Now you do this one.
7,
Careful. You gotta dump it in. In there. Good job. Okay. Now we need to
You did
add
it.
a bunch of flour.
Flour.
She just added more. Good job, Tess.
Okay, that's enough. That's all we need. Well done.